How to use back tap feature on iPhone 17 Air Pro. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on utilities folder. Now here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down. You will see second option is accessibility. So click on accessibility. Now here scroll down. So click on touch. Now here, so if you want to use back tap feature, so scroll down to end. You will see back tap is here. So first of all, click on double tap. Now here you will select any feature from here. For example, camera, control center, front camera, home, lock screen, home screen, screenshot. So I will select screenshot. So after selecting, go back to home screen, refresh once. If you want to test, you will see it's work properly. I will tap on back, you will see take a screenshot here. So that's how you can use back tap feature on iPhone 17 Air Pro. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.